Welcome to Savannah. Come on in.
I'm Christian Dunbar.
And I'm Genevieve Gorder, and we're married. This is where Christian was living before we got married. And this is his bachelor house. Mid-century magnificence that needed a little...
Complete with kegerator in the garage.
Feminine love. We're both designers, and I've done a lot of Airbnbs. He's ran an Airbnb and designed an Airbnb before. Why are we not doing it for ourselves? Designing together. This is a very personal project.
This one's probably the hardest one we would ever do.
I hope.
Yeah.
I was very excited to attack the bathrooms because while mid-century had some tremendous tile stories, this needed a total gut.
As a furniture guy, I've always got wood slabs all over the place. I had one that I never knew what to do with, so I treat it like a boat, and I put penetrating resin on it, first of all. Super slick and sexy, and fits this oddly shaped bathroom. This is an instance where we had more furniture than wall space. So I opened up one of the closets and did a tone-on-tone story. Finished it all in black on the interior, and it just gives you a little visual point of interest. In every room you'll see there's like some cool black accents mixed in.
In crazy moments of architecture like this one with 5 million doors, I like to make these less awkward by making them beautiful. So I added wallpaper that I designed, and it makes this area almost like one you want to be in, where normally you're like, no.
I'm minimalist, modernist. She likes heritage and ancient, and so when you artistically combine those in a good way,
Male, female.
then
It's the
it's
best.
kind of a cool thing.
When it comes to hospitality, less is more when it comes to adults. I definitely do 2 standards on each side, 3 decorative pillows at the most, just to give a little pop. This is more of a minimalist approach. Maximalist is what I do for kids because they like more pattern, more color, and they like to build forts. Adults do not. As opposed to a home that someone lives in full time to one that you're renting out, you depersonalize everything. That's where design is the most powerful host, when you anticipate everything before they know they need it. It went from a student house into a grown-up's house. Everybody who wants to come and stay here, it is yours. You are welcome to it. You're welcome.
Okay, so please welcome back. There was so much to learn in that. I think we have to like rewatch that a few times at home. But please welcome back our designer buddies and fabulous couple, Genevieve Gorder and Christian Dunbar. Now, just to clarify, this is the first time that you guys worked together as designers, correct?
Oh yeah.
And we're both
I don't know how to read that, but did you catch that? He's like, oh yeah.
I mean, we're just like any other couple. Like we got into it, and we're both alphas, so it can get.
I was gonna say, neither one of you seems very passive, especially when it comes to your passion.
Everything.
No.
So when you guys were walking out the door at the end of that piece, you invited people to come. You have a show, Stay Here.
I do.
Right? It's all about Airbnbs creating unique places to go and stay, which is the only way I travel. It's how Bobby Flay loves to travel too, because you get to go and live someplace and feel like a native. You know, you can cook there, you can go out and explore and do all the things you can do in a hotel, but you also get the benefit of feeling like, oh, wow.
Yes.
I'm from here for a few days.
It's like going to the market, meeting local people, being in a neighborhood, and not just that guy that's in the way all the time.
And you have space. You have somebody's home.
And this is literally your former home.
It is.
So
It is. Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about that, people staying in my
emotional.
home. But when can people stay in this particular space, the one we just got the tour of?
Starting November 1st is what.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at it.
You can leave today and book it. Book it up, book it up.